Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, welcome to my kitchen and thanks for choosing to click on my video. Today I'm cooking soft and layered chapatis. This is one of the easiest methods. Follow these simple steps and enjoy soft chapatis. The ingredients for this recipe are flour, salt, sugar, and cooking oil. Find the amounts in the description box below as we jump into this. In a large bowl, I add a kilo of plain wheat flour, salt, and sugar. Then I mix this to combine. I add cooking oil and mix until the flour has a crumbly texture. I now add warm water in little increments while mixing. The amount of water used varies depending on the brand and texture of the flour. I continue kneading until the dough is soft and bouncy and it is no longer sticky. The aim is to get a soft dough. If the dough is too sticky, I add some flour in little increments. I do this until it is no longer sticky. I now coat the dough with oil, cover the bowl and let it rest for half an hour. Lightly knead the dough and make 10 to 12 balls depending on your preferred chapati sizes. I like my chapatis large but thin, so here I have 9 balls. After this step, I roll each ball into a large circle. I spread oil on top and roll it into a cylinder. I stretch this and make it into a coil as shown here. I repeat these steps with all the dough balls. I now start rolling the dough for the second time. This time I'm keeping an eye on the shape. I roll it out as round as possible. While doing this, I place a pan on the stove and turn the heat on and start cooking the chapatis. Once heated, I place a chapati on the pan. When the chapati dries up like this, I flip it, add oil, then I flip it again and add oil on the other side. Ensure both sides are well cooked and place it on a plate. Repeat this process until all chapatis are cooked. The chapatis are now ready to serve with your favorite beverage, stew, beans, or legumes. If you enjoyed this recipe, kindly share this video, give it a thumbs up, engage in the comments section, and tap the subscribe button below. Remember to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming uploads. Thanks for stopping by and see you all in my next one.